is for goose. G is for goose. Geese are very loyal. They mate for life and are protective of their partners and offspring. H is for hummingbird. G is for hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can hover for an extended period of time, and they are acrobatic flyers capable of flying backwards and changing directions nearly rapidly. I is for ibis. I is for ibis. In ancient Egypt, the ibis was one manifestation of Thoth, the god associated with divine knowledge and writing. J is for jay. J is for jay. Jays are famous for their acorn feeding habits, and in the autumn you may see them burying acorns for retrieving later in the winter. K is for kingfisher. K is for kingfisher. These vocal, colorful birds are renowned for their dramatic hunting techniques. Typically, the birds sit still, watching for movement from a favorite perch. L is for loon. Lease for loon. The loon symbolizes the wildness of the north, wildness that many of us, trapped in an ever more urbanized society, long for from the depths of our souls. M is for mockingbird. M is for mockingbird. Widely known for their singing ability, mockingbirds sing to establish their territory and attract mates. Their songs have a series of phrases that are repeated 2 to 6 times.